Hi, welcome to another Raw Chefins Live, and today I'm with Kadeen, the fruit bee queen, but
as usual.
Yeah, man, the owner of Fruit Blossoms, and Kadeen will be showing us how to make a cashew cheese sauce. Right, and you know me love my belly already, but you all have been asking how you make raw vegan sauce. So I say, Kadeen, please, may I beg you, them want the raw vegan sauce. So Kadeen
we're delivering.
Yes, we're delivering.
Yes.
So Kadeen, over to you.
Yeah, man.
Cashew cheese sauce, your way, right away.
My way.
Oh. And just in case you don't know, my name is Stacia, aka Raw Boss. Bye.
Boy, that's Stacia. So let's get into the cashew cheese sauce. So first of all, we can't do these ingredients without cashew. So we have our cashew, which is pre-soaked overnight. So ensure that your cashews are soaked for at least 8 hours. So you know, you just put it to soak before going to bed, and that's it, right? And we're gonna put all of this in a blender. Cool. So we're gonna put about 2 cups of cashew. This is half. Yeah, man, about 2 cups of cashew will do the trick. And then we're going in with some sunflower seeds. About a cup. Because we want to make this nice and creamy. Good?
And tell them, sis, it's so.
Oh yes, and the sunflower seeds are also soaked overnight. Cool? Because you know what? This releases the enzyme inhibitors, and also it gives it a nice creamier texture when you soak your nuts and seeds, right? So we're getting into it. Another ingredient we're going to put in there is some pumpkin. Pumpkin.
So when you get the pumpkin, so
this, you know, we love technology, but instead of grating it, we'll put it in our food processor and it did the shredding for us, right? And what pumpkin is going to do for our sauce is going to give it that nice cheesy color, that orange color. So we're going in with a half a cup here. Cool.
ready.
And no recipe is complete without garlic. Garlic. So we're going with a tablespoon of garlic here and some black salt.
And you know me always give my disclaimer.
Black salt.
You know me endorse sauce, but I can't eat recipe, make sure
it is optional, guys. If you don't want salt, but you know cheese and a little bit won't, you know, kill. A little bit won't do us anything. So we go in here with like a half teaspoon, right? And this is quarter. It's small, so we have to push it smaller, go in this, it can't go bigger, right? And then we're gonna add like a cup of coconut water, not water. So we're gonna use, you might ask, why coconut water? Coconut water adds flavor to your recipes. Regular water dilutes your recipes, right? So we're going in with the coconut water.
And fresh coconut water.
Fresh.
Right?
Fresh. Guys, normally now, if it is that you don't have the coconut water, you can add coconut milk. So I do coconut milk, and the coconut milk is going to get it much creamier. So because I didn't have any coconut milk, guess what? I'm going to add to this some coconut jelly meat.
Oh, nice. And make them know, in terms of the coconut milk as well, if you're not sure how to make it at home, there is a recipe on the Raw Food Challenge JA page, so check out the coconut milk recipe.
Right?
One through Kadeen.
So we're going in with some jelly meat here. You know what? Let's cut it up a little bit smaller. Mine was in the freezer, so whew. This sauce is going to
Yeah, man, it's a ton of, oh sorry, for our,
it's going to be turned up. It's going to be turned.
It's going to be raw. It's going to be
Awesome. All right. So let's get into the blending.
And remember, any equipment or tool you see Kadeen using, you can we'll put the description in, well, we put it, the link in the description.
Alright. So guys, another thing to know, when you're using your blender, start off on a low speed and then gradually increase the speed in order not to put too much pressure on your blender, alright? So we're starting off on a low speed and we're gonna gradually, and we're gonna use our rod. And you can add water as you go along to help with the blending. If it's too thick, coconut water or your coconut milk. If it's too thick, you add more, right? So we're gonna add a little bit more to it. And we don't want it too liquid. That's a word? Let's taste. This one more ingredient. Come taste it, Stacia. One more ingredient, but I'm going to give you a little to taste. Okay. Talk about creamy. Alright, so this needs a little bit of lemon juice. Or if you don't have lemon, you can do lime, right? So here I have my lemon juice and we're gonna add just about like 2 tablespoons to this, just to see how it, you know, we don't want it too open. It's gonna be about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And I'm going to add a little bit more pumpkin for the color, just a little bit more, right? So going in with some more. How was it, Stacia? It wanted a little bit more salt, don't it? Not true, like a little bit more garlic. A little bit more black salt. We're gonna put in a little bit more black salt, right?
And let me just put my disclaimer again. Raw fam, remember I do not endorse salt. Go on through, Kadeen. Go on through.
So a little bit more liquid in there.
And just as Kadeen did, you know, she tastes it. So it's all, you have to be creative in the kitchen. Don't be a slave to the recipe. So if you don't think it needs more coconut water,
right, or it's all up to you.
It's all up to you.
The thickness is up to you, the smoothness is up to you, the color is up to you, and the level of salt or no salt or lemon is up to you, right? Don't be a slave to the recipe. Good? Alright.
Cashew cheese sauce. I can just imagine. Alright. Yeah.
So let's taste again, Stacia. You want to taste again?
Yes.
Look up.
That's fine. From morning.
This coffee dance. So this is our cheese sauce.
I'm definitely going to need some of that on my wrap.
And look how glorious this is. Just look. We're gonna pour, right? We're gonna pour. Look how creamy.
Cashew cheese sauce.
Look.
Nice. That's it. You can imagine that all.
No, don't touch it. Yes. So Stacia,
we're going to use the ackee croquettes.
yes.
And dip.
Yeah. And dip. Ready?
You know, sir, I know you're working a videographer, but I want you to taste this still. Mom, you have to taste this.
You have to taste.
No,
No, you have to dip it.
Yo, that cashew sauce was the bomb. Thanks again for watching another awesome recipe. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this recipe and I'll see you in another video. Enjoy!